Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and chat on Duolingo. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your particular Duolingo app on your mobile phone, complete a quest, and simply sign in. Upon doing that, you do have multiple options right given over here, including the language you can change on top, and your home section, the language section, and this quest and the lessons and your profile also you can see right over here. Here in this section you do have an option of adding friends. If you tap on this add friends, you can choose to invite friend, connect to Facebook, find contacts. Let's say if you simply connect to Facebook, you simply gotta continue as your account right over here, and now you will be able to find the people who are available on the Facebook and have the Duolingo account as well, and you can simply choose to add them right over here. Once you have done so, you can actually add your friends and you're good to go. But if you have been wondering whether you can simply chat is like that is simply just not available, rather than Duolingo you can simply browse through all of the options given below, but you cannot seem to find an option for you to simply chat with your friend. You can see you can also celebrate achievements with friends, etc. for the add friends function as well, but you do not seem to have an option. Apparently Duolingo does not offer a chatting system. You can come over here and learn simply. So that is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.